Few days back, I tried a saffron gravy dish in a restaurant, and since then I wanted to try and make it at home. So here's a recipe of Kesari Badam Paneer with the aromatic flavor of saffron and the creaminess of almonds. We start by adding 2 tablespoons of melted ghee and a tablespoon of oil in a pan. In goes some aromatics like bay leaf, cinnamon bark, few green cardamoms and few cloves. Just let it sizzle for few seconds. Then we add a medium sized sliced onion. Onion needs to be sauteed for 2 to 3 minutes, but you don't have to change the color to brown. Now raw smell of onion is gone and it's slightly pink. At this point we add 1 inch of fresh sliced ginger, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and a green chilli. Give this a mix and saute until raw smell is gone, about a minute or so. Next goes in 2 chopped tomatoes. Tomato quantity has to be the double of onion that we have added. So saute the tomatoes as well for at least 3 to 4 minutes until they start to become soft and mushy. Don't worry about cutting the onions or tomatoes precisely, as we will be grinding everything to make a smooth paste. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt according to taste and let it cook on the medium flame. After 2 minutes, reduce the heat to low and add 2 spoonsful of thick yogurt. Here I am adding some Greek yogurt. Give it all a good mix. It's okay even if the yogurt curdles a bit. Just let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then switch off the flame. Let this mixture cool down before grinding it to a smooth paste. Also take out bay leaf and cinnamon and then grind it to a smooth paste. After grinding, take a strainer and sieve the whole mixture to get a smooth fine gravy. Along with this, I have also pre-soaked about 15 almonds and peeled it, and I have also soaked 2 tablespoons of melon seeds. It's also called char magaz seeds in Hindi. So put this together in the grinding jar and grind it to make a smooth paste. You can also add some warm water while grinding to get the fine paste. Now add the gravy back into the pan and let it simmer on low flame. Keep stirring it in between and add the almond and melon seeds paste to this gravy. Give this a really good mix, and in the meanwhile I have also added half teaspoon of saffron to 1/4 cup of warm milk and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Time to add some spices here. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder and a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can also add any regular sugar instead. Mix in all the spices and adjust the salt if needed. Let it all simmer and then also add soaked saffron along with the milk. Then add 1/4 cup of warm milk again in the same saffron bowl. Stir it to get all the rest saffron strands which are left in the bowl and pour it in the gravy. Mix everything really well while the gravy is simmering on low flame. Then add about 250 grams of cubed paneer pieces and mix them well so that the gravy gets coated on all the pieces. Increase the heat to bring it to between medium and low and cover the pan with the lid and let it all simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Open the lid after 4 minutes and check the consistency. If the gravy is too thick, then add few tablespoons of warm milk or water to adjust the consistency. If the consistency looks fine, then it's ready to serve. Drizzle it with some fresh cream, few slivers of almonds, some crushed kasoori methi and some green cardamom powder and some more saffron strands on the top. It's ready to be served warm with some butter naan or tandoori roti. Do give this recipe a try and you will never forget its royal and creamy saffron taste.